Hi guys, welcome back to Daily Drop. Today I'm going to be talking about PyCon. I'll be showing you guys how to register and how to mine PyCon. The link for that will be in the description below. So first of all, for those that don't know what PyCon is, PyCon just like is a digital currency, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum and so on. PyCon is not yet listed. PyCon is not currently listed. It's not currently in the market, but this December/January, PyCon is going to be listed in all exchange platform. So that's why we have the opportunity to mine it now that is not yet listed. So I'm just going to log out and show you guys how to sign up for this. As you can see guys, I can actually log out because I'm currently mining PyCon. If I log out, I'll be unable, my PyCon will be lost. So guys, I'm just going to demonstrate for you guys with this. So the process is just for you. First of all, you have to input your real name. Make sure you put your real name, your first name and your last name. Then create a username. Then after that, you register with your phone number and make sure you put your country, the country you are, and make sure the phone number you put is actually working. Then they're going to ask you for your invitation code. I'll be leaving that in the description also. And then you set up your password. We are good to go. So when you finish your registration, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to be somewhere like this. I'm going to show you one of the mistakes most people do. I'm going to show you that so you are not going to be among those victims. Make sure you verify your phone number and your Facebook. It's very necessary guys. If you don't want to lose your Pi at the end of the day, make sure you verify your phone number and your Facebook. Then I'm also going to show you guys how to mine. So then when you complete the registration, you click on the button up here. Just click on this button and you're going to start mining. The more people you invite to this, the more Pi you'll be able to mine. As you can see guys, I'm mining Pi currently. You can see the number keep on changing. I'm mining Pi currently guys. So the more people you invite to this, the more Pi you mine guys. We don't have much time. By the end of December/January, it will be listed. And I'll also be showing guys the app where you guys can also trade your PyCoin for Goose. I'll be showing you guys the app where you can trade your PyCoin for Goose. So I'm going to show you guys the app where you guys can trade your PyCoin for Goose. Before that, I would like to show you guys this. For those of you that would like to earn free tron, I'll be leaving my link in the description for you guys. This is actually a free tron site where you can mine tron every day. You can just deposit at any small amount of tron you have. I'll leave the link for this also in the description. I withdraw for this more than 3 times. I'll leave the link for this in the description and also the payment proof video in the description too, so you can go and check it out guys. So as I was saying, then as you can see here we are guys. This is where you can exchange your Pi for Goose. As you can see, here is an iPhone 12 sorry. You can exchange an iPhone 12 for 314 Pi. If you have 314 Pi, you can exchange the 314 Pi for an iPhone 12. I have more than 314 Pi, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to exchange mine. I also have to keep mine until when Pi is actually listed. Nobody knows the actual price of Pi. Everybody just keep on living on prediction. So we just keep on waiting guys until when Pi is actually listed. So that's going to be it for today. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel if you like what you are seeing. Goodbye.